Welcome back YouTube to Rick's YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the Xbox One S controller with no batteries in it. So at the moment I've got the rechargeable battery pack disconnected from this, as you can see. So if you're using your standard batteries, not the rechargeable pack, and they run out, you can still play the Xbox just by plugging a USB cable into the micro USB port. So let's get started. First off, you're going to need a micro USB lead. It's just your normal phone charger for your Android devices or your tablets, pretty standard stuff. Plug that end straight into the USB port on the Xbox, like so. It's connected, it's all lit up. And then connect the other end into the micro USB port. And I'll just try and show you, the light is on, and then the lead's not very big, but I'm just showing you that it works. As you can see, that's fully working just on the USB cable. The problem with using a USB cable is they're not that long. This is probably just under a meter long, so you've got to be next to your Xbox while you're playing this. So the other option is to actually plug it into a wall socket. I'm going to get rid of this USB lead, disconnect that, grab a phone charger, a standard old BlackBerry phone charger, plug that into the wall. Now just make sure most phone chargers are 5 volts output. I'm just going to plug the other end into the top of the controller. So that's connected to the wall socket, and as you can see, it's powered up. I'm sitting a lot further away, and I can still use my controller with no batteries in the back, like so, just by sticking it into a wall socket and using a mobile phone charger. Doesn't matter if you've got your batteries, your old batteries in there still, because they will only charge from that point there, not from these 2 power inputs. It's just there, so there's no worries about your batteries exploding. But that's how you use your Xbox One S controller connected to the mains. Thanks for watching.